right, we are going to check Tuesday's daily math. The first question asks you, what 3 digits are in the thousands period of the number 9,827,273? Remember, the period is each group of hundreds, tens, and ones that's separated by commas. So yesterday we identified the units period, which is the period that has hundreds, tens, and ones. So today we're looking for the thousands period. The thousands period is made up of the 100,000s, the 10,000s, and thousands. So those 3 digits in that period are 8, 2, 7. To find the product of 27 times 7, we could use repeated addition, but we need to start moving to some more efficient strategies than repeated addition. So let's break 27 into expanded form. 20 plus 7 equals 27. Then I can split 20 into 2 times 10. So if I do 2 times 7, that gets me to 14. And then I can make 14 10 times bigger, which would be 140. Then I need to do 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So now I just need to add these two partial products or two parts together. 140 plus 49 equals 189. So the correct answer is 189. Next, we're finding the quotient, 83 divided by 9. This is where knowing your multiplication facts is going to come in really handy. I know that I can think of this as 9 times what? Gets me as close as I can get to 83 without going over. Well, I know 9 times 9 gets me to 81. And to get from 81 to 83, I need to add 2 more. So my quotient is 9. And my remainder is 2. So 9R2 is the correct answer. Now we're ordering the numbers from greatest to least. Greatest means biggest, to least means smallest. So remember, when we're ordering numbers, we always start with the largest place value. I have 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s, 3 10,000s. So that doesn't help me any. So I'm going to have to go on to my next largest place value, which will be the thousands. I have 9, 9, and 7. Since I'm going from greatest to least, I know that my 2 with a 9,000 are going to be the largest 2. But I've got to figure out which one of those is greater. So I'm going to move on to my hundreds place value. I have 0 hundreds and I have 8 hundreds. So I know that this number, 39,801, is the greatest because 8 hundreds is more than 0 hundreds. So this will be the next greatest. And 37,999 will be the smallest or the least. So my correct answer is going to be 39,801, 39,008, and then 37,999. The first option is correct. Next, you're writing the number 4,408,700 703 in expanded form. So I have 4 in the millions place value. So that will be 4 million plus 400,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 3. 4 million plus 400,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 3. Next, we're rounding 39,892 to the nearest thousand. So if I look at all the thousands, I have 39,000. 1,000 more than 39,000 would be 40,000. The midpoint is 39,500. So now I need to put my number 39,892 on that vertical number line. So I know that it's more than 39,000 and it's more than 39,500. It's a little more than halfway. So we'll put it about right here. 39,892. So that is much closer to 40,000 than 39,000. So the correct answer is 40,000. Next, we need to find the sum of 33,820 plus 91,732. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. I'm going to write down my 5. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. And 3 plus 9 is 12. I'm going to put my comma to separate my thousands period from my units period. So the answer is 125,552. Next, we're finding the difference. So we're subtracting 2,935 minus 1,843. I'm going to start with my ones place value. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I have 3 minus 4. If I have 3, I can't take 4 away from that without it being a negative number. So I'm going to borrow a group of 100. So I'll have 8 hundreds left. And if I exchange those hundreds, if I exchange those hundreds, that would be 10 hundreds. If I add 10 tens. If I add 10 to the 3 that I already have, that gives me 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 1,092. And the last question for today. Miss Nickel has a jar of candy on her desk. Jessica thinks that there are 3,498 pieces of candy in the jar. There are actually 4,182 pieces. What is the difference between Jessica's guess and the actual number of pieces of candy? So here's the actual total, 4,182. And Jessica thinks that there are 3,498. So we've got to figure out what the difference is. So I'm going to set this up as a subtraction problem. 4,182 minus 3,498 498. If I have 2, I can't take 8 away, so I'm going to have to borrow. That'll leave me with 7 10s, and if I exchange those 10s for 1s, now I have 12 1s. 12 minus 8 is 4. I can't do 7 minus 9, so I'm going to have to come and take a group of those hundreds and exchange that for 10 10s. So 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 0 minus 4. I can't do 0 minus 4, but if I look at this and use some number sense, I can see what I have left is 40 minus 34. And I know the difference in 40 and 34 is 6. So my answer is 684 pieces of candy.